researchers did some example searches on ChatGPT, and I just want to show you the types of results they got and why. And it'll go a long way, I think, in understanding how ChatGPT works. So for predicting the future, they asked it, what should we expect from the Fed meeting? There was a Federal Reserve meeting coming up. It gave CPI numbers for March 2021 as current numbers, because again, the training set is prior to September of 2021. It said Jerome Powell's term ended in February of 2022. He's still the chairman of the Fed. And it said it'll start tapering its bond buying program soon, but it actually started that in September of 2022. Next, they asked it about an event that wasn't really happening. So they asked it to tie the surge in demand for toys with unexpected ripples in the real estate market. And the answer was very repetitive, and that within 250 words, 8 times it used surge and increase in demand in the sentences. And within 69 words, twice it said led to an increase in. And I think that just underscores how there's no editorial process here. I know when I was first starting out writing articles, the editor would say, you know, you need to go to a thesaurus, you need some synonyms, you keep using the same words over and over again. ChatGPT verbiage is not going through an editorial process, so you see a lot of repetition. Tech reviews. They asked it to review 2 different products, and the major red flag to this is there was no downside. They love everything. They're overly enthusiastic. The iPhone 14, that's a real product. They had the wrong screen size, wrong megapixel size, wrong chip, and wrong type of camera. And there was no mention of the price or the battery life. And we know in any tech review, they want a longer battery life, no matter how long it is. There was nothing like that. And what was really a red flag to me is there's no suggestives. Usually in any kind of review, the reviewer will say, what I'd like to see is blah, blah, blah. There's nothing like that. Then they made up a product, the Apple AirPods Flex. Fantastic. ChatGPT said it's a fantastic addition to Apple's audio accessory lineup. And again, it was repetitive, generic, and no mention of the price. Generating a set of tweets from Elon Musk. They were very formulaic in that they had 3 hashtags at the end of each one, and he typically does not use hashtags in that way. And then there was nothing controversial or inflammatory, and he tends to be that way.